Okay, so this is the last video for the 8th grade this week, and this one is wrapping up scientific notation for this video. You guys basically had this question right here, and in this question, you were asked to multiply this number, which is 2 and 1/8, or 2.18. A lot of people say it like that, but I want you guys to start practicing and saying 2 and 1800ths times 10 to the negative 5th power. And I wanted you to tell me in standard form how many centimeters this is. Well, hopefully you knew right here what you were going to do is you were going to move this decimal a total of 5 times to the left. So I'm going to just go ahead and move this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this actually is where I'm going to put the new decimal. I'm going to put this decimal right here and I'm going to keep it in blue. And I'm going to go ahead and fill in a 0 here, here, and here. So this is actually going to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, then 218. Now this is the tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000ths, 100,000ths place. So this right here is a very, very, very small number. Just when you get up to the twos place, this is hundreds, thousands. This right here is how many centimeters you should get in standard form notation. So I'm hoping you guys got that answer from the last video. But I wanted you guys to practice with more than just this one question for scientific notation. What if I go ahead and I start giving you examples that are not just to the 5th or to the negative 5th power? What if I go ahead and start saying, well, what if we have miles? And what if we don't have the same number, 200 and 1800ths, or 2.18, which is 2 and 1800ths? What if we have a number more like this, 3 and 7400ths, and this is going to be times 10 to the 7th power? What we want to do right now is I want you to pause this video, and I want you to go ahead and put it on pause and see if you can get this answer and tell me how many miles this is. I'll wait for you while you put me on pause. Well, hopefully you've already pressed play, you've already checked your answer, and you're totally sure about it. And now let's see if your answer is correct. So hopefully you're going to take this decimal right here. And this decimal is going to move a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. Well, the decimal is going to go right there. And you can make sure by saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I'll put my 74 back, and I'm going to start filling in those zeros right there. Now, a lot of you guys don't put commas, but maybe you guys should get in the practice of that. 1, 2, 3, then a comma. 1, 2, 3, then another comma, and then 37. This is how many miles this is. This is actually 37,400,000 miles. This is why we use scientific notation. This scientific notation can really help us a lot. If this is the number of miles between here and another planet or a star in outer space, we don't want to constantly be writing this, because this standard form notation takes a long time to write. Especially if the numbers are really big into the trillions, we want to use scientific notation. Well, hopefully that wraps up your review with me for this week. Until next week, catch you guys later.